Jai Sriman Narayana.
Rama has seen Lakshmana, took Lakshmana very close to him and saying that Lakshmana, you are my life, like you are my second life. Dvitiyam me antaratmanam. I don't see you as separate from me. I don't see you as different from me. So, if the Pattabhishekam is going to be done to me, means it is the Pattabhishekam for you also, Lakshmana. Feel that way. And you will also be enjoying everything that I am enjoying. You will also get the same joy that I am getting the joy out of this Pattabhishekam. Like that, Rama told Lakshmana. After that, everybody did Namaskaram to the mothers. Then Sita and Rama left to their home. And Lakshmana and his mother Sumitra Devi left to their place. Then all the arrangements started getting done. Entire Ayodhya is drowned in making arrangements for Rama Pattabhishekam. Dasaratha Maharaju called on Vasishtha Maharshi and requesting, "O Acharya Varya, you please go to Rama and get Sita and Rama initiated with Upavasa Diksha." With that request, now Acharya Varya Vasishtha Maharshi has gone to Rama's palace. News went to Rama. Rama came out and received Vasishtha Maharshi with so much of humbleness. Rama helped Vasishtha Maharshi getting down the chariot. After that, Rama has taken Vasishtha Maharshi inside the palace and did all services to Acharya Vasishtha Maharshi. Then Vasishtha Maharshi initiated Upavasa Diksha for Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami. After that, Vasishtha Maharshi again coming back to Dasaratha Maharaju. On his way, Vasishtha Maharshi is noticing, observing, coming across so many people all over the streets in Ayodhya, making big pomp and show in the occasion of Rama Pattabhishekam. Everyone is very, very happy and everyone is waiting for Rama Pattabhishekam. All the Ayodhya, every home is getting decorated. Flags hoisted all over the Ayodhya kingdom. Everyone is waiting. Ramabhishekam Akankshan Akankshat Udayam Ravehe. Everybody is waiting for sunrise. They are all waiting like, when is it going to sunrise? When we are going to be witnessing Rama Pattabhishekam? Like that, without having any kind of food, everybody waiting for Rama Pattabhishekam. While observing, while noticing all these things on the streets, Vasishtha Maharshi came back to Dasaratha Maharaju. And Dasaratha Maharaju asked, "Acharya, did you initiate Sita and Rama for Upavasa Diksha?" Then Acharya says that yes, it is initiated. Now they are in Upavasa Diksha. After he got this news, Dasaratha Maharaju retiring from that assembly for that day. He is now getting into his palace, Antahpuram. Dasaratha Maharaju going inside while sending off all the acharyas and all the ministers to their own stay places. with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.